In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit desktop and mobile versions separately in Squarespace. Your first move is to log into your Squarespace account's dashboard. This digital control panel is where all your Squarespace website management begins. So remember your login credentials and jump right in. With successful login, you'll find a list of all your Squarespace websites. From this array, you have to select the specific website you wish to edit. It could be your business site, your portfolio, or your blog. Just tap on it, and your next stage of action begins. Now, glance at the bottom right of your screen, and you will spot a button named Go to Website. This button loads up the interactive Squarespace editor, a platform where you can make changes to your selected website in real time. So go ahead and click Go to Website to get your editor prepped to go. As the editor successfully loads up, orient yourself to the top left corner of your screen. There lies your tool for initiating edits, aptly dubbed the Edit button. Once you spot the Edit button, waste no time and click it to open up the edit mode. You might have noticed that immediately upon clicking the Edit button, the website transforms its look to resemble what it looks like on a desktop view. This is the default mode. However, if you are focused on the mobile look of your site, there's a way to switch views. Identify the mobile view icon, typically found at the top of your screen, which upon a single click will change the desktop representation to a mobile-friendly format. Now, the editor will show you exactly what your website looks like when viewed on a mobile device. On entering the mobile view, you can now start to make your desired modifications. Just perform your edits in this view, and remember, every change you make will only reflect on the mobile view of your website. You've now unlocked the capability to edit your desktop and mobile versions separately on Squarespace. It's your time now to take hold of this power and make your website more adaptive and responsive for your audience, regardless of what device they're browsing from.